This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Fully apply the handbrake. Where applicable, pull the trim from the wheel. Using the special anti-theft wheel bolt adapter where necessary, slacken each of the wheel bolts half a turn. Position the jack head under the reinforced section of the door sill flange. Then raise the vehicle until the wheel is clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with an axle stand under the reinforced section of the sill flange. Fully unscrew the bolts and remove the road wheel. Locate the wheel over the hub, then insert and lightly tighten the retaining bolts. Remove the axle stand and lower the vehicle to the ground. Tighten the road wheel bolts to the specified torque. Refit the wheel trim.